Oh, hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. What we doing today?
Today, well, today I'm gonna throw the wood grain on the side of the car.
Oh, okay.
You know, I always like woodies. You know what I'm saying? I always like those station wagons that got the wood panel on the side.
Me too. Them station
I
wagons.
don't know why. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't know
but,
why either. Yeah.
I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on this lowrider. You know what I'm saying? So now I got my thin styrene.
Very thin styrene.
I'm gonna go ahead and cut the middle out, because this is just gonna be the trim.
What do you mean?
It's gonna be like a lighter wood grain around the darker wood grain. The darker wood grain gonna be in the middle.
We're talking two different wood
And that
grains.
trim that I'm cutting right now, that's gonna be light. I mean, you'll understand what I'm saying.
I hope so.
So now I got my first piece cut, my first trim piece. So that's gonna go right there, and that's my front part, my second piece.
Run that by me again. Not too bright.
So each side is gonna have two pieces, a front and a back.
Each side is gonna have two pieces, so that's two and two. That's four.
Yeah, there we
so
go.
now
I got the center cut out of the front piece, so it's gonna go on there like that. Now the reason they're shaped like this,
Yeah, why are
is
they
so
shaped
that
like
they'll
that?
fit in the pinstripe that I got on there. I pinstriped it in a funky pattern, and I just want the wood grain to fit inside the pattern. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
So now I'm putting the inner wood grain on the side of the car, the darker wood grain. Now once I put this down, I'm gonna put that trim piece around there,
I mean,
and it's gonna
okay.
look pretty good, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Ah, that don't look too bad, Gerald.
Thanks, guy. So right now, I'm just test fitting it, make sure my my trim piece is gonna look good on it. Now keep in mind, I'm gonna put the wood grain on the trim piece. I don't have it on it yet, but I'm gonna get it on there.
You know, I said I understood what you was talking about before. I lied. I really didn't.
Oh?
But now I'm seeing where you're going with it, Gerald. It looks pretty
Okay, I'm glad you
say.
see that. Thank you very much. So now I gotta go ahead and put the wood grain on the trim pieces.
Abracadabra.
As you can see, I'm almost finished with that. Got a few bare spots I gotta cover up with the decal, the wood grain decal, and I'll be done.
Bare spots.
There's a little closer look of it, and that's the finished trim pieces
Oh wow.
in the lighter wood color. That's gonna go around the wood grain that I already got on the car to give it a little border or accent or whatever you call it. I don't know, but anyway, that's what it looked like. And this is what it's gonna look like once I get the trim on. You can't really tell, but you know, there it is.
What the?
I got it on. I don't know. You know, some people will like it.
Cool
Some people won't.
Haters.
I like it. You know, like I say, I like wood grain.
Me too.
And
Me too, buddy.
yeah, I think it looked pretty good.
You can say that again.
Yeah, I think it looked pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up.
Dang. What a bummer.
Thanks for watching.
You're welcome.
Like, comment,
I will.
subscribe.
I did.
See you guys on the next one. Peace.